Let's dive into the concept of the internet or digital marketing. As you know, this is under the current era. Banner ad. It may be used for creating awareness or recognition, entering viewers into contests and sweepstakes, or direct marketing objectives. Sponsorship. There are two types of sponsorship. Regular sponsorship occur when a company pays to sponsor a section of a site. Content sponsorship, in which the sponsorer does not only provides dollars in return for name association, but also participates in providing the content itself. Content sponsorship. Content sponsorship is which in which the sponsorer does not only provides dollars in return for name association, but also participates in providing the content itself. Pop-up. When you access the internet, you no doubt have seen a window or a creature of some sort appear on your screen in an attempt to get your attention. These advertisements are known as pop-ups. Pop under. Pop unders are ads that appear underneath the web page and become visible only when the user leaves the site. Interstitial. Interstitial are full page ads that appear on your screen while you are waiting for the site content to download. Unlike banner ads, interstitials require to view the viewer to click off the ad to continue to the site they want to go to. Search. In general, the higher a site appears on a search page, the more visitors it will receive. Often, searchers will not go past the first page of result. Organic search result. Organic search results are those that appear because of their relevance to the search terms, not advertisements. Non-organic or paid search results. Advertisers will also attempt to reach consumers through non-organic or paid search results such as pay-per-click advertising by placing their ads on web pages that display results from search engine queries. Pay-per-click advertising by placing their ads on web page that display results from search engine queries. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the process of improving the volume of traffic driven to one's site by a search engine through unpaid or organic results as opposed to paid inclusions. Behavioral targeting. Another internet advertising strategy that has been seen rapid growth is behavioral targeting. Behavioral targeting is based on advertisers targeting consumers by tracking their website surfing behavior, such as which website they have visited and or searches they have made. Retargeting. Once a user visits a website either on his or her desktop or mobile and leaves without purchasing the product, a specifically targeted ad will be displayed on participating subsequent website the user visits. Contextual advertising. Advertisers who target their ads based on content of the web page are using contextual advertising. Whereas behavioral advertising tracks surfing behaviors, contextual ad placements are determined by the content of the web page. Native advertising. Native advertising is a web advertising in which the advertiser attempts to gain attention by providing valuable content in the context of user's experience. It is similar in concept to an editorial, which is paid placement attempting to look like an article. Rich media. Rich media defined as a broad range of interactive digital media that exhibits a dynamic motion taking advantage of enhanced sensory features such as videos, audios, and animation. Online commercial. The equivalent of traditional television commercial, online commercials are appearing more often on the internet. Pre-roll. Some of these commercials appear before the content that the user is seeking. These ads are called pre-rolls. Video on demand, VOD, consists of video clips of various entertainment activities which include ads or are sponsored and that are also available through the internet. So with this, we end up with the internet or digital marketing concept under integrated marketing communication.